Hi, I'm Alaire Diamond, ecologist with Vermont Land Trust, and I'm here in Dorset, Vermont on the Simpson Dam Removal Project. So while the purpose of this project was really to create a more flood-resilient watershed by removing a failing dam, one of the other benefits is that we're recreating natural stream, floodplain, and wetland habitat that supports a whole range of wildlife species. Some of the species that we've seen here are ring-necked snakes, green frogs, and a variety of salamanders. And species like the blue-spotted salamander can actually occur nearby in vernal pools, which are found on a nearby property, and they spend part of their lives in floodplains. So it's really exciting to be able to create the diverse habitat here that can support some of these animals. Some of the ways that we create that habitat are that we are embedding large pieces of wood into the new stream banks. Those trap sediment and water and are able to create little pools. We're also creating small areas with smaller bits of wood that are actually mimicking beaver dams. And so those kind of tend to also pool water. They allow groundwater to move through the system a little bit more easily. And we also have the floodplain benches on the side, which you can see behind me have been revegetated with native wetland plants, shrubs, and trees. So all of these techniques are things that are helpful for a whole range of wildlife, from birds to salamanders to frogs to macroinvertebrate insects and to snakes. And so we are really excited to continue to move toward completion on this project, and we'll be coming back to you with a final update as it nears completion.